Hi everyone, this is CSS Dietetic Intern Karaline, and today I am pleased to announce the recipe contest winner for December 2021. Let's listen in as Janice announces the winner over Zoom.
You shouldn't be afraid. I just wanted to tell you something, which is, we tested your recipe and you have won our contest.
But wait, who could the winner be? Drum roll, please. Betty Bahadori and her family favorite recipe of slow cooker beef stroganoff is our December 2021 recipe contest first place winner.
And your beef stroganoff is going to be made into a meal kit.
I'm so happy that you selected our recipe. It's a family recipe. I'm from a Swiss-German Liechtensteiner background, but I think everybody enjoys a good stroganoff.
Congratulations, Betty.
And so we're thrilled, and we are going to give you your $25 gift certificate. I'll send you a list of what's available, and you can pick from those.
Don't go away just yet. We have another announcement for you. Our second place winner goes to Jamie Griffin and his recipe submission of chicken adobo from the Philippines.
In our recipe contest, you won second place, so you're getting a gift card. What do you think?
I'm a happy elf for that.
Merry Christmas.
And a holly jolly Christmas.
Yeah, for sure. That's great.
Full eyes.
That is a great song. All right, well, I'll send you an email with your choices, okay?
Yeah, good idea.
Okay?
Yeah.
That's great.
Congratulations.
Awesome. Congratulations.
Thanks, ladies.
Thank you to everyone who submitted a recipe into our contest. And a big congratulations to our winners. Make sure to keep an eye out for Betty's slow cooker beef stroganoff coming soon to a meal kit near you. Stay tuned for more recipe contests in the future from the nutrition team and your next chance to win.